Today we'll take a look at how Syncplicity integrates with Salesforce using the CRM cloud integration. In this scenario, we'll start by logging in and looking at our opportunities in Salesforce. Then I'll navigate to the account record for Imagine Automotive Group. Under Details is where you'll find Syncplicity. Once loaded, you can see we have a few folders. Looking inside of competitive information, I'll add a folder for 2020 competitive. Going back to the Related tab, I'll navigate to an opportunity and once again click on Details to see Syncplicity. I need to share a file with my customer, so I navigate to our folder External Collateral. After going into the folder, Syncplicity allows me to view the file I want to share without needing to download it. Much like you would do in traditional Syncplicity, I right-click to see available actions and share this file using a shared link. This allows me to apply protections like requiring recipients to log in, enter a password, or setting an expiration. I can copy the link and drop it into a message or email it directly from Syncplicity. Right now, I'm going to paste it into Chatter for this opportunity for my team to use later. Going back to Details, Syncplicity also allows you to share a folder directly from Salesforce. I'll simply right-click on the folder I want to share. In this case, I want to share the folder directly with my customer, who will only need a Syncplicity account, and this can be a free personal account, to access the folder and files inside of it. I'm also giving my customer editor access because I'd like them to upload any files they want to share with me, like an RFP. At any time, I can go back and change this access to reader or remove their access altogether. Depending on the access you have within Syncplicity, you can also delete any irrelevant files from folders or entire folders, just as you would on Syncplicity Web, desktop, and mobile applications. Uploading new files is also easy. Just as you would in Syncplicity on web, you can click and drag files into your web browser window and upload directly into Syncplicity for Salesforce. This same content is also available in Syncplicity should you or someone else on your team need to access it there. You can confirm you've uploaded the correct files by clicking on them to preview. This saves you time from needing to download a separate copy before creating a shared link and sending it to your colleague or customer. You can also upload files by clicking Upload within the integration. Additionally, whenever you have uploaded new versions of a document with the same file, Syncplicity in Salesforce still tracks new versions of that file, who made the edits to that file, and when those edits were uploaded. This saves time and hassle by not creating multiple files with minor changes, and you can still revert back to an older version of the file directly in your CRM. Now I need to send off a proposal to my customer for signature. I can do this directly from Salesforce and send for Adobe Sign. It's as easy as right-clicking on the document, clicking Send for Adobe Sign, and entering the email of my customer. I'll be able to see whether or not they've signed the document or recall the document directly from Salesforce. All of these files and folders we looked at today are also available for non-Salesforce users who have access to Syncplicity.